Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much
Hams. How are you?
I am fantastic. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. It's delicious. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our Tom fondly. Okay, first and foremost, I'm filming this after Makeup Bingo, so things could be interesting or not, we don't know. I want to say thank you so much to Lookfantastic for sending this my way. I love Lookfantastic because they allow me to be a complete garbage person and they love it. And I love that they love me for that. So this box is actually kind of interesting. This is the Lookfantastic limited edition hair box. This box is actually currently available. And if you are interested in this box, I do have a discount link and my code is Theresa10 and you can get $10 off this box. So this box retails for $35. However, if you do use the coupon code, you can get $10 off, which would make this, if we can do the math correctly, $25 dues. That's pretty friggin' excited if you ask me. So without further ado, let me tell you a little bit about Lookfantastic. Our Hair Edit limited edition box is finally here. This box contains 8 premium hair care products, a worth of over $95. But buy yours now for just $25. All right, so let's open this baby up. Okay, like every Lookfantastic box, you do get this beautiful little pamphlet here that tells you all about the products inside. We're gonna keep that over here. And here's the tissue paper, the bane of my motherfucking existence, because you know why? I have misophonia. Misophonia is not fun, and I'm sorry for those that have misophonia. It's a bullshit disease, it really is. So I'm gonna speed this part up. Oh my gosh, she gave birth. What is all of this? All right, hold on. The pube monster, she really freaked out today. She literally came everywhere. We're just gonna leave this here, okay? I don't even have the energy to fucking clean this up. All right, actually, you know what? No. We got a job to do and we're just gonna throw everything over here. Oh God, the pube monster had fucking babies. What is this? I mean, I guess this is better than packing peanuts. Packing peanuts are the fucking worst. So I guess I'll take this.
2,000 years later.
Let's see all the adorable things we got. All right. I don't know why that was stuck in my head, but it was, and here we are. Okay, so this is everything that's in the box. So I'm gonna open up my little pamphlet right here, and we are going to break it down by motherfucking product and see if this box is worth $25 dues. Ooh, bitch, this is worth it by itself. Hold on, I need a drink. This product, I believe I got either from Lookfantastic or Glossy Box, and it's from Christophe Robin, which I have to say it like that because if I don't, I think an angel doesn't get its wings. Anyway, Christophe Robin, this is a salt scrub. I'm pretty sure this is a thing that I got. Yep, this is a cleansing, purifying scrub. This is a deluxe sample, so this boy retails for $8.48. This sea salt is an effective natural exfoliator that cleanses, removes impurities, and restores balance to the scalp. This is fucking great. For a period of time, I was having so much buildup in my scalp, I had no idea what the fuck was going on. I thought I was growing another human. And then I was introduced to this beautiful product, and this is fabulous. Honestly, these little deluxe samples, a little bit does go a long way. So what you do is like you use a small amount of it as shampoo and then you massage it into the scalp ever so gently and you rinse it out. And I feel like the buildup in my hair has reduced significantly and it's all thanks to Mr. Christophe Robin. I fucking love this. We're starting off fucking great, babes. We really are. Oh my God. All right. So the next thing is, this is the brand called Scene, and this is a blowout cream. This is a deluxe sample. Yeah, it's a deluxe sample. Oh, this is a deluxe sample? Holy shit. Okay. Is it a deluxe sample though? Or is it like full size? Or is everything saying deluxe here? No, this is actually a deluxe size sample. Holy shit. All right. So the deluxe size sample retail, can we keep saying deluxe size sample? Deluxe size sample retails for $24, and this is a blowout cream. Body, balance, control, and and shine. Get serious blowout results and memory without clogging pores or compromising skin with this dermatologist-designed, non-comedogenic blow-dry styling product. Your hair will be protected from heat, pollution, and UV damage, giving it a beautiful shine. I am intrigued by this product because every time I get out of the shower, I immediately blow dry my hair and then I flat iron it because I just like my hair pin fucking straight because I have very fine hair and basically it's just like a limp dick. So I have been thinking about dabbling into blowout cream just so I can get that like bouncy, flouncy Farrah Fawcett feel that I so desperately want and need. And I just can't do it because my hair looks like Fat Witch Brownie hair. So in any case, I am excited to try this. I've never heard of the brand, but we're gonna hope for the best here. Oh, bitch. Okay, I've always wanted to try Olaplex because I just feel like it's just cool. Does that make sense? I feel like it just feels and looks cool. Olaplex, this is the number 3 hair perfector. So this is a deluxe size sample, retails for $8.50. This concentrated treatment reduces breakage. Bitch, I need this. And visibly strengthens hair by protecting hair structure, restoring a healthy appearance and texture. So apparently you use this about once or 2 to 3 times a week for damaged hair. Apply it on damp, towel dried hair from scalp to the ends. Leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes and then rinse with hair, shampoo and condition as usual. So you know what? I'm actually gonna try this next time I take a shower, which will be in about 3 years. Just kidding. And I'm gonna try this because being that I have fine hair, my hair breaks constantly. Although I will say that with the addition of the Dyson hair straightener, I have seen less breakage when I am flat ironing my hair. So that's great. Plus it should do that and blow my husband for $500, but I digress. I am always looking for things that will also help me not have any more breakage because listen, I'm not stupid. I know I'm getting old, okay? Things are drying up, all right? They're drying up and I need to make sure that my hair and my skin stay good, okay? And if that means I need to use products like this, I need to use products like this. I will do this happily, all right? And I hope that this drastically changes my life. Ooh, what is this plastic abomination? This is from the brand Imbue. Imbue is a curl energizing hydration serum. This is also another deluxe size sample that retails for about $13. This lightweight hydrating serum unleashes and enhances your natural curl pattern, protecting against humidity for longer lasting curl definition without the frizz. It absorbs instantly into hair to plump and define from inside out. Okay, this sounds like the fucking best thing in the world. Listen, again, I have limp dick hair. All right. The bitch doesn't want to move. She only knows how to do one thing, and that is to be straight. Okay. That's literally all she can do. Or maybe if it's air dried, there is a little bit of a wave to it, but seriously, it just falls straight. I don't curl my hair because my hair cannot hold a curl. I have been told this from a hairdresser to hairdresser to hairdresser. They've all been like, wow, your hair's weird. Like it doesn't hold a curl. And I'm like, bitch, I know. I want beachy, wavy hair. Like that's the dream, bitch, all right? I want to be on a boardwalk with sea-swept hair, eating a hot dog. Like I have my fantasy and I can't do that. Instead, I have limp dick hair that blows into my mouth every time the wind blows, all right? I hate it. So a product like this sounds super fucking interesting and I'm super intrigued to try it because everything that I just read is true. This is literally going to change my life drastically and I'm gonna rule the fucking world, all right? That's what we want here. We want to be able to rule the world and maybe we can do this with the brand Imbue. Okay, so the next thing is from Philip B. And this is a peppermint avocado shampoo. Interesting. This is also a deluxe size sample, retails for $15. Formulated with 2.3% peppermint oil and 16 plant extracts. That's a lot. This clarifying shampoo clears away any unwanted oils and residue without stripping and creating a tingling, cooling sensation to invigorate your scalp. That sounds like a recipe for possible disaster. I don't like anything tingling on me, okay? I'm a baby, all right? Like I literally am a fucking baby. And I don't know how I feel about having peppermint oil on my scalp. So I don't know, but you know what? Listen, I'm all for just trying to make things better on my body. So let's give it a whirl to see how it works. But apparently you're supposed to shake well, like that. You apply it to your wet hair and scalp and then you massage it with your fingertips from scalp to ends and you just leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes. I feel like I'll probably last for about 1 minute before wanting to like rip my scalp off. So in any case, I'm excited to try it. I love it. I have high hopes. Next. Ooh, this is from the brand Alterna, which is like another company that just sounds like a pharmaceutical name. Alterna may cause snow blindness in cats. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Conditioner. So this is a mini, and this retails for a whopping $12. Perfect for straight, wavy, curly, coiled, and tightly coiled hair. Okay, so it sounds like it's for everybody. They could have just said it's for everybody, but whatever, I digress. This reparative conditioner formulated with Caviar Bond Enforcing Technology seals and protects tresses that have been damaged through chemical process or physical stress. Okay, I don't have anything chemically done to my hair. I think the last time I dyed my hair probably was like about 10 years ago. So let's just say I have physical stress. So this one, how to use it is, after cleansing, massage throughout wet hair, then rinse thoroughly to repair and protect your hair. So yeah, you know what? I'm actually happy that we're getting a conditioner because so far it's been pretty much shampoo heavy. So yeah, we'll just try this, give it a whirl. I mean, other than having the fun name of Alterna, I don't really know anything else about this product. So let's hope that it makes me a better person. Ooh, what the fuck is this? This looks like a kidney. This is a Tangle Teezer, the original mini in pink bubblegum. Hold on. Ew, look at this. It looks like a okay, it kind of looks like a weird bug that I see in my nightmares sometimes. So this is a full size. This retails for $10. Using Tangle Teezer's patent two-tiered reflex regular flex technology, this travel-friendly brush removes tangles and reduces breakage, so you'll have smooth, frizz-free hair anywhere you go. Okay, this is, I don't know why, this is kind of reminding me of every little Barbie brush that I have lost over the years, okay? Like, it kind of looks eerily the same. But this also reminds me of the brush that I had when I was a child. And because I was such a monster and I was always just like, you know, just a monster essentially, my mom would have to use this product that I don't even know if it exists anymore. It's from Johnson & Johnson. It was like no more tangles or something like that, or no more tears. And basically it was supposed to be like detangle spray that you're supposed to spray, and then, you know, no more tears. So like when mommy got to brush your hair out, like you're not crying to death. That never worked. Okay, well then again, my hair was always a rat's nest as a child. I'm pretty sure a family of rats lived in my hairline, but whatever, I digress. Anyway, I remember my mom using that and then taking a brush kind of similar to this and then brushing out my tangles, which ultimately, I believe one time the brush got stuck in the tangles. That was a fun thing. I almost thought we had to cut it out of my hair, but no, we figured it out. We figured it out. We ripped it out of my head, whatever. But listen, my hair grows fine there, okay? Anywhoosies, this is giving me horrible memories. So, and it also kind of looks like a weird cicada bug. Like, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like this. Get this away from me, doctor. Please. No, thank you. Bye. And then last, but certainly not least, we have the Hush Hush. And this is the deeply rooted supplement. And there's 4 capsules in this boy. And retails for $6. What is this? Well, let me tell you about it. This hair health supplement harnesses the power. I'm sorry, the fucking descriptions on some of these things are so ridiculous. Okay. Harness the power of proven vitamins, minerals, botanicals, and patent ingredients to stop thinning hair and hair loss. It combats causes of aging, nourishes the follicles, and promotes scalp health for strong, healthy hair. Take 4 capsules daily, preferably with a meal, or recommended by a physician. Okay. I mean, I'm not one to take supplements. I take a multivitamin, all right? I have never tried any other sort of supplement, especially for hair. No, I think I did biotin for a little bit. I don't remember, okay? My coworker, she swears by this one juice, okay? Sasha, if you're watching, she swears by this one, we literally talked about this the other day. It was like some fucking green juice that literally looks like baby shit. But you know what? That bitch's hair is very healthy and her skin looks fucking amazing. So you know what? Maybe she's on something and I need to stop judging her from looking like she's drinking baby shit and get on her level because she looks fabulous and I look like a mountain of clay. Okay, so I don't know if this is going to be the answer for me, but in any case, okay, all right. Not bad. Okay, so you know what? I have to say, for $25, this is actually better than I fucking expected. There are some things that I feel like are really kind of geared towards me, with the exception of this thing. This thing scares the shit out of me, so we're gonna throw her away. Bye. The supplement, not really, I don't know, like I'm kind of like, honestly, I'm probably never going to take it. So let's just take that away as well. Everything else with, I am a-okay with using. I feel like with all the heavy ass claims they made in this pamphlet, there might be some truth to it and maybe I might look like a beautiful glowy mermaid. or a fat sea monster. I don't know, but in any case, I'm willing to fucking try. If you are interested in picking up this box, which I have to say, like I think out of all the special Lookfantastic boxes, this has actually been my favorite one so far. You can get all this stuff for about $25 if you use the code Theresa.10. Please know that if you do use the code, I do make a small commission off the box. With that said, I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you picked up this box or if you're thinking about it, or if you have some wonderful hair care products that you use that you think might help me, because I love hearing from you little bubbies, okay? And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really gross, and really filthy garbage boat afloat with flat hair. I couldn't do this without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and I just want to gobble you all up. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, which no surprise is Hollow Taco's new collection, I'll link that in the description box below, along with where to get my merch, my bloopity blop blop, my palette, and all that other stuff. And with that said, I'll see you little flamingos later. Bye. Oh, did you hear that? That was my thumb snapping. God, I'm getting old. You like that? Me too.